You see the bus? I think this is a field trip bus. This is field trip bus.
الأول من المساعدين على بيت على هذا الدرجة اليهود تمر عن أبد مدرسة سنتر ما من المخرج.
Walang tayo na recover. Pinalit nila yung mga kotse. Kasi nakatirik na sa tubig. Pati yung police na stop. Kasi yan may pump yan. Pinapump nila yung tubig. Pero matagal kasi timali. Yan yung pump. So guys, 2 oras na traffic. Ito pala ang problema.
What could this do?
There are some silly drivers who don't know how to drive. Like the one on my left.
Ito pala yung problema. Kanina pa kami 2 hours na stuck sa ano.
To the left lane.
See? Only this. So,
I need right now.
Hello,
Zach.
checking in. Yes. This side. Thank you.
Mama, this is a new Jebel Ali.
It's the same. This is my first time to stay in Lake. How do you think? How do you find the view?
And you can even go walking. Wow.
50 gas, you can do a lot of walking.
Mama, can we go horse riding?
Can I park by then you ask me all the funny questions?
Yeah, like you come up, but I want to ask you, can we go horse riding? And then Lila, I love it.
Here to check. بس بنوقف في النص ما عندك مشكلة. بعدين بتقولون الحريم ما يعرف.
نكد عليها نرجع الدنيا مسلسل ارجع نكد عليها.
ganda ng bulaklak. Tins na hotel. Hello guys, this is our 2 days room for this 2 days. Hello everyone. So ito yung entrance. Ito yung room namin. Ito yung hammam. Wow. This is our house. Wow, and this is the view, guys. Look at this. Wow. Amazing.
Where's the kitchen? The kitchen's this smartest thing, but it's really
Oh, look at this.
where's an oven?
Ayan, hihiga na naman sa puting kama. Ganda, no? TV. Cabinets. Ito yung CR. Ang puti ba? Ang puti. Look at this, guys. It's so beautiful. Ganda. Oh, guys, we play Ono and I take off all these cards. 4 plus 4, 8, 12. Oh no. Oh no.
Now,
This is not fair.
it's fair.
How?
Now, Mahra, you
That's
ask
so many cards.
Mahra, you ask,
How am I gonna win?
I want color.
What color?
Green.
Why, Bunny? Bunny, why you put the... Oh, no.
Salam, it's your turn.
It's what?
Salam, it's your turn. So it's whose turn?
Mine.
You, if you put that one, which means you play it again.
I have so many cards.
Yeah, you have more.
Last two? Oh no! Oh. You throw?
2 plus.
So, 4 plus.
Oh my gosh, you must be kidding me.
What color do you want? What color
It's
do
your
you want?
turn.
And what color do you want?
Oh no. Oh no. 5, 5.
Wait a
Amine.
minute. I skip Salam and now Mahra, it's your turn.
Mara.
Baba Uno.
9. I have a lot.
No.
Who's the winner?
Oh.
Who's the winner? Show Bunny, show Bunny. Show Bunny is the winner. Show. Ano yung means? Hindi kami nag-breakfast, guys. Ganda, oh. Ganda, no? Nasa IBN Batuta kami. IBN Batuta Mall. Tingnan nyo guys, ang laki ng chandelier. Laki ng chandelier guys. Ganda dito. Guys, laki ng elepante, oh. Para, ano siya, parang kahoy. Pinulma ng elepante. May eagle at saka dragon sa taas. They will coming, Habibji. Ayan, sayang dito guys. Check out na kami. Sayang din to, panglagay sa ano. Pinas cargo ba? Diba, may supply pa, oh. Tapos tissue. Pwede naman daw ito kunin eh. Sabi ni madam. Slipper. Sayang din to. Siyempre, yung kape. Huwag kalimutan. Sayang din. Yung si madam kanina. Tapos, pumunta ko sa room niya. Kinuha ko rin yung mga kape. Ayan, kape. Kala niya may kausap ako. Ayan na, kinakapal. Tissue. Oh, may dental kit pa. Oh, mahal din yan, di ba? Magkano bang isang kape? Tsaka isang tissue sa Pilipinas. Oh, tapos may, ang dami ko ng ganito. May sinilas ka pa panloob ng bahay. Pwede na eh, diba? Okay. Yun lang, share ko lang. Dami ko lang naipon nito. Ilagay ko sa ano, sa bayan box. Siyempre, ito hindi pwede ilagay. So, gamitin sa bahay. Diba? Liquid to eh. Ayan, may Nescafe Gold pa. Tutuwa si Papa nito. Kasi dinadala niya sa payat niya. Ready to ano na lang. Nescafe Gold. Red mug. Tapos pag sa gabi, para makatulog kayo. Ano. Decaf. Nescafe Decaf. Ewan ko na yun. Tapos yun, may mga tea. Oh, maganda sa katawan. Okay. Yun lang, share ko lang. O, diba? Maganda. Tignan mo itong kit. Ano itong kit? May shaving kit. Oh, pwede na ito kay Erwin, diba? Vanity kit, pangtahi. Pangtahi, hindi ko alam vanity kit. Ano ito? Nail file. Ito pala yung pangtahi. Ayan, may dagom at saka ano na dito. Hilo. Sinulid. Sanitary bag. Comb. O, diba? Sayang din yan, guys, diba? Pwede naman daw kunin. Bayad naman daw nito. Slippers. Tapos ito. Peppermint tea. Saan makabili niyan, diba? Libre niyan dito. Sa dami namin, sa dami ng butil na pinupunta, dami ko na rin naipon. So, diba? Yun lang, maging paki na ako. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching.